this video is going to be on the group 7 halogens, and in particular it will be on the testing for halides. So in test tube reactions, the first thing we do is we add nitric acid, and this removes any impurities, and specifically it removes carbonate impurities. And the acids we use are either nitric acid or sulfuric acid. The reason we don't use acids like hydrochloric acid is we don't want to be putting chloride ions in if we're testing for halides, because let's not forget chloride is a halide. Okay, so once we've done this, we add silver nitrate, and in this instance fluoride won't react at all, whereas the other halides will form coloured precipitates, and they're shown in the table below. After we've done this, we add dilute ammonia, and in this instance only chloride will dissolve, with the rest remaining unchanged. Finally then, we add concentrated ammonia, and in this instance bromide dissolves, and all the other solutions would remain unchanged. So to summarise that, if we add silver nitrate to a test tube, if we have no visible change, then that's fluoride. However, if we get a white precipitate, it's chloride. If we get a cream precipitate, it's bromide. And if we get a yellow precipitate, it's iodide. However, if you can't tell from the shades of these, you can add dilute ammonia. We don't even need to discuss fluorine now, or fluoride should I say, because we already know that. But if the precipitate dissolves, then we know it's chloride, because the bromide and the iodide both have no visible changes. And if we still aren't fully sure, or if nothing happens, and we need to distinguish between the bromide and the iodide, then we can add an excess of ammonia, in which case the bromide precipitate will dissolve, and the iodide will have no visible change, and of course chloride will have no visible change. And finally, you may be asked the ionic equations for the formation of these precipitates. So they're quite simple. It's silver plus the halogen, or halide should I say, to form the silver halide. So chloride plus silver to form silver chloride, bromide plus silver to form silver bromide, iodide plus silver to form silver iodide. And that's it for the testing for halides.